Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Today we are going to discuss about one algebraic problem. So this is the problem: x plus x by 1 plus 2 plus x by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to x by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 2021 is equal to 2021. Then find the value of x. So this is the algebraic equation. In this we have to find the value of x. So if you know the answer, please pause the video and check your answer. Okay, so how to do this? Before doing this problem, we should know two simple concepts. That is, first one is the sum of the first n natural numbers is equal to, it is denoted by Sn, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That is, if you want the sum of first three natural numbers, suppose. So this is sum of first three natural numbers, that is S3. Here n is equal to 3. So that will be equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. So that is 3 into 4, that is 12 by 2, that is 6. Okay. Now if you add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, suppose if you want 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to 10. If you want the sum of the first 10 natural numbers, that is nothing but 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. So that is 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 into 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 5s are 55. So this is the sum of first 10 natural numbers. We use this concept in solving that problem. And the second one is this 1 by n into n plus 1 can be written as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Suppose if you simplify this, what you will get? The LCM is n into n plus 1. That is n plus 1 into 1, n plus 1 minus n into 1 is n. So plus n minus n gets cancelled. That can be written as 1 by n into n plus 1. So this and this are one and the same. So 1 by n into n plus 1 can be written as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Suppose if you have something like this, 1 by 2 into 3. Okay, so you can write this as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So if you simplify, LCM is 2 into 3. So here 3 ones are 3 minus 2. That is 1 by 2 into 3. So we will make use of these two concepts in solving the problem. So this is the given problem. Now here this can be written as, here in every term x is common. So let us take x common. So what you will have here? 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 2021 is equal to 2021. Now here we have to use this concept. Sum of the first 10 natural numbers is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So here we have sum of the first two natural numbers, here sum of first three natural numbers, and in this we have sum of first 2021 natural numbers. So you can write that as 1 plus 1 by n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 2. So you can write it as 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 plus 1 by, here sum of first three natural numbers. So here n is equal to 3. So you can write it as 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 into 4 by 2 plus so on. And here the sum of 2021 terms. So here n is equal to 2021. So n into n plus 1 by 2. 2021 into 2021 plus 1, that is 2022 by 2, and here this is in the denominator. So 1 by 2021 into 2022 by 2 is equal to 2021. Now take the reciprocal here, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. So what you will get here? 1 plus 2 by 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3 into 4 plus so on 2 by 2021 into 2022 is equal to 2021. So now this one, can I write it as 2 by 2? Yes, we can write it. Now, in every numerator, 2 is common. So let us take 2 out. So already we have x outside of this. So it will become 2x. So 2x into, this will become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus so on up to 1 by 2021 into 2022 is equal to 2021. Now we have to use this concept. 1 by n into n plus 1 can be written as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So here we have 1 by 2 into 3. And this 2 also, can I write it as 1 into 2? So 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus so on up to 1 by 2021 into 2022. Now by using this concept, this 1 by 1 into 2 can be written as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. And this 1 by 2 into 3 can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. And this can be written as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So let us write that. So this will become 2x into 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus so on. What we have, the last term is 1 by 2021 minus 2022. 1 by 2022 is equal to 2021. Now here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2021 plus 2021. Every term except the first and last terms will get cancelled. Now what is remaining now? 2x into 1 minus 1 by 2022 is equal to 2021. Let us simplify this. 2x into 2022 minus 1, that is 2021 by 2022 is equal to 2021. So if you simplify, x is equal to, send all the other terms to the right side, it will become 2022 by 2021 into 1 by 2. So this 2021 gets cancelled. 2 ones, 21011. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1011. So this is how we solve the given algebraic equation. Let us meet with some other problem in the next video. Thank you for watching.